enabling Authenticator-based MFA. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up and using an Authenticator app for your cloud help desk. While all new help desks are automatically secured with email-based multi-factor authentication, upgrading to an Authenticator app is more secure and gives you faster access. Let's get started. First, as an administrator, you'll need to enable this option for your team. Navigate to Settings, then Global Settings. Here, you'll choose the TOTP option to enable Authenticator app logins. Once this is saved, each employee will be prompted to set up their device the next time they log in. Let's see what that experience looks like for them. As an employee logging in for the first time after the change, you'll enter your password as normal and click Login. You'll now see a setup screen. Open your preferred Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy and scan the QR code. If you can't scan the QR code, you can use the manual key provided. Your app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code on the screen and click Verify. Great, your device is now connected. The next screen is very important. You'll be given a set of 5 one-time use backup codes. Please copy these and store them in a safe place, like a password manager. These codes are your lifeline if you lose access to your Authenticator app. Once you've saved your codes, click Login to continue. To make sure everything is working perfectly, we'll take you back to the login screen to test the full process. Enter your login details one more time. Now, when prompted for the verification code, just open your Authenticator app and type in the code you see. And you're in. You'll now be taken directly to your tickets view. Your account is officially more secure. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. First, for administrators, you can easily track which employees have set up their Authenticator. Just go to Settings, then Employee Administration. A shield icon will appear next to the mail notification icon of anyone who has completed the setup. Now for everyone, be careful when entering your code. If you enter the wrong code 3 times in a row, your account will be locked for your protection. A warning will show you how many tries you have left. If you get locked out, simply use the Forget Password link on the login page to unlock your account. Finally, regarding backup codes. Once you've used all 5, you'll need to reset your setup to get a new set. If an employee loses their device or their backup codes, an admin can easily reset their account. Go to Settings and then Employee Administration. Find the employee, click to edit their profile, and choose the Reset TOTP option. The next time the employee logs in, they'll be guided through the initial QR code setup process all over again. And that's it. You're all set to use a more secure and convenient way to access your cloud help desk. For more information, go to spiceworks.com/CHD.